Hello dears, welcome back. Today we will going to discuss about the new concept from unit number 3. Okay, so we have done with our 2 units. Now we are in the 3rd unit and we will going to have major concepts which is involved in unit 3. So one of the important thing in our unit 3 is job order costing. So what is job order costing, that we will going to have in this lecture. This topic is for your practical question. So yes, you have to be focused to attend the lecture because this is for practical purpose and this will be having more weightage as per your exam point of view as well. Okay, so what is job order costing? So job here defines a particular task of manufacturing company or for, let's say, service company as well. So what the job here is, job is a particular task which will be performed by the manufacturing companies for their prescribed and predetermined customers. They will going to give them the product which is very identical, and that identical product will be provided by manufacturing companies to their precise customers. And this modified, or we should say the harmonized system, will provide you the process by which a manufacturing company or service company can give services and can give goods or can give any sort of thing through their organization to the customer. So this is about the broad concept of job order costing. So we have understood about the job. So what is job order costing? So job order costing means here job will be performed by the employees which is working in the practical field actually, and they will going to incur different types of expenses while they are manufacturing some goods. So when they are manufacturing something, so they will obviously be facing different types of expenses, and that expenses have to be incurred by the employees, by the organizations to manufacture finished goods. So how we can wholly calculate the cost of that job, cost of that activity, and cost of that particular product. These all the things will be focusing in this lecture. So what is the literal meaning of job costing? So I am referring here JOC, that means job order costing. Job order costing is a costing method which is used to determine the manufacturing each product and also used by service management. And what they actually do, that we will be going to have through their features. So what are actually job order costing system is doing? So job order costing system is providing the prescribed procedure to account, to calculate the cost of particular job, cost of particular task. Okay, so what are the features of job order costing? So there we have put the important, or let's say the primary features of job order costing. So what is job order costing here? What are the feature and nature of job order costing? So it provides customer specific requirement. That means job order costing will provide you customer specific requirement. Customer specific requirement means the ordered product which has been ordered by the customer, obviously that customer will going to give you the instruction to manufacture that product, and that product will be precisely made by the company to provide the services to customer with the specific requirement. Okay, specific requirement. They can give any kind of specification to manufacture a particular thing. Example, we are creating a water park. So at that time, what we can do? We can give a order. Order means here we can enter into the transaction to make slides, to make roller coasters for that particular water park. So they will going to calculate each and everything, and as per the requirement of that water amusement park, they will going to provide you slides and water roller coasters. So this is the specified activity which will be performed by the slides manufacturer or the roller coaster manufacturer. So this types of activity will be given by manufacturing company or service companies to precisely give services or precisely give the goods of related item. So yes, they will going to provide you specific requirement goods. Then after, each job has its own nature. That means each and every job carries different types of nature, so that each and every job can provide you the identical thing. So job A will be having some other entity, job B will be having some other entity, but the harmonization between the job A will be different from the job B. Okay, so these things can be provided by job order costing. So each and every job differs with the nature of the product. Then after, each job distinctively identified. That means each and every job will be precisely given by the manufacturing companies to their employees as per the view of the customer. By keeping in the mind that customer wants this types of goods, so we have to create that type of goods with referring to the different types of jobs. Okay, so this is how each job distinctively identified. Each and every job has its own nature. That's why it can be identified distinctively. The cost of production of every job matters. That means if cost of production is very high, that means the level of job will be somewhat larger than as compared to the job orders which are having low cost of production. Low cost of production, the smaller the job order, higher the cost of production, higher the levels of activity, that means larger the job of order. So that is how it differs job to job. And then after, last feature is WIP differs with job to job. Obviously, this is very common. Very common statement. Each and every job will differ from their work in progress, because each and every job has its own nature, and because of this, each and every job will work with specific to the requirement given by the customer. So that is how each and everything can be differ, but they are identical. We can identify the jobs as per their levels. Okay, so this is about the features. Now the main thing is our practical portion of job order costing, because this portion will be given to you in your exam for the practical portion. So what should be the practical portion for this? But before starting that, we will going to have a pro forma for the job order costing. So what is pro forma? Let's have a look. So by pro forma, you